Okay, so hello guys. For this discussion video, we will have more of examples for the topic on the variable separable or separation of variables. So without further any more concerns, let us proceed to more of examples. Okay, so for example, we are given y e raised to 2x dx is equal to 4 plus e raised to 2x dy. Okay, so this one is the given equation and we need to perform our differentiate or we have to perform the separation of variable and then we have to find our general solution. So take note that no initial condition was provided for this equation. So therefore we need to perform or we need to find our general solution. So first we have to separate our equation. So we are given this one. So we need to separate the y and the x values. So we will have, okay, so e raised to 2x all over dx. So e divide ko by 4 over e plus 2x is equal to, so mapabili na ako ng dy and then ang ako ng y, divide ko sila lang. So we will have y. So this time, we were able to separate the x values and the y values. So therefore, pwede ko na subong perform ang ako na have to perform integration here. So take note, if we have to inspect this equation, so we have to perform our this equation, we could clearly see na kung hindi ang consider is our u values or atong u value I mean. So what's siningon atong u is 4 plus e raised to 2x. And then atong ni du naton is equal to 0 na lang na siya plus 2 right ko na. Okay, so we will have, so derivative of your e or exponential function is still the same, e raised to 2x, and then derivatives ang aton nga exponent is 2x, therefore it is equal to 2 na lang. So 2, then we have dx, 2e raised to 2x dx. So inspecting or by inspection sa aton nga given nga equation, so kinahanglan naton mag-offset by 2. Therefore, kinahanglan ta dito sa aton nga equation. So since nag-multiply kita dito, we need to multiply the equation. So we have to perform now. So based on this one, so we will have 1/2. So then we will have of then we will have 2e raised to 2x dx is your du. And then we have u sa ato ni equation. Then we will have integral of dy all over y. Next, so we have to perform our integration. So we will have 1/2 du over u, integrating this one, this will be equal to ln u. Same also with this, will be equal to ln y. Next, so back substituting our value of u, this will be equal to, so u is, so we have 1/2 ln e raised to 4 plus e raised to 2x is equal to, take note we integrated, therefore we have to add c. So we have ln y plus c. Next, so simplifying our equation, so multiply ko lang by 2 para madulang ato yung fraction. So multiplying 2, so we will have ln 4 plus e raised to 2x is equal to 2 ln y. So plus, so pwede ko dapat mag 2c, but then if we multiply any constant to another constant, it will still be equal to constant. Therefore, c na lang ito. Next, we have and in the left and right side of the equation kag wala na sang iban pang component. So both since we have both L and both sides of the equation, we need to is this one sa iyang exponential nga equation. So we have to perform this raised to ln multiplied by raised to 2x is equal to e raised to k. So take note that if we have to perform our operation of natural logarithm, values ang atong last nga example, ari multiply to na di siya. So that will be, or hindi siya multiply or ihimuon ta siya as your exponent. So this will be mahimo siya squared. Therefore, atong equation will be ln y squared. Then we have plus c. So next, so we have ln y squared plus c. Next, this one will be cancelled. E raised to ln, makancel ni, and then manaog ang ato nga tumilugan nga equation, which is 4 plus e raised to 2 is equal to. Next, we will have, so since may ara kita plus, pwede natin na-separate ang duwa ka equation. We will have e raised to ln y squared multiplied by e raised to c. And this equation or this function will be equal to c na lang. So this one, makancel ang aton e raised to ln, leaving us the value 4 plus e raised to 2x is equal to y squared. So we have y squared multiplied by c. Next we have, so simplify ta ang ato ni equation. So this will be equal to, okay, unahon ko lang e raised to 2x. So this will be e raised to 2x plus 4 is equal to, so unahon ko man ang c, so that will be c y squared. So take note, we have simplified our equation. Therefore, pwede ko ihambang this now is our general solution of the differential equation. Next one, so what if atong equation, when it provides atong equation for the differential equation is not having mga variables to represent sa mga constants. So wherein we will have dx and x, y. Okay, so take note that if this one is ang given sa aton, so both silingan, this one is coefficient sa ating x at hindi siya arbitrary constant. So treat na siya as your coefficient nga value. So we will have to perform our separation of ang ating equation. M dx all over x is equal to n dy all over y. So next, since this is constant here, so both silingon represent siya ang value kag hindi siya arbitrary constant. Coefficient siya sa imong equation. Therefore, we will have m, so dito separate, so we will have dx all over x is equal to n, okay, so n times integral of dy all over y. Next, so we have to perform our integration. Since dx over x can be multiplied, you know this is n lang man kung of m. Then we have ln of x equals to n ln of y, okay, ln of y plus c. So y plus c. Next, so since we have ln both sides of the equation, so we have to perform our exponential nga algebraic nga process. But take note, since this is a constant, pwede siya nato i-represent, for example, as a number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on. Pwede siya natin i-transfer diri nga parts. Himon siya natin exponent. Same also with this one. So, ang ating equation, maging ln x raised to m is equal to ln y raised to n plus c. So, if we perform to erase siya into E, so diretsyohon ko na lang, butangan ko di E. Butangan ko di E. So, ato nga function will be equal to, this will be cancelled, this will be x raised to m is equal to, so this will be e raised to ln y raised to n multiplied by e raised to c. So this will be automatically equal to c. This will be cancelled. So atong equation will be equal to x raised to m is equal to y raised to n multiplied by c. So atong equation will be x raised to m is equal to c y raised to n. So since we were able to simplify our equation, therefore this equation is now our general solution of the differential